Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dr. Sana. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a funny question I got from one of my classes. To me, it's a funny question, but to others, it's a serious question and serious topic that needs a discussion. So let's go to the question. So the question is, eating pineapple or do pineapple has any property to improve the taste and smell of the semen produced by men? In some places it may be pineapple, while in some other places it might be some other fruits or some other food items that is commonly known for improving or increasing the taste and smell of the semen. Let's discuss this topic today. When eating pineapple is mostly about about a belief related to sexual health, specifically improving the taste or smell of the semen. So let's discuss what's behind this. The common claim is that the pineapple is thought to make bodily fluid, including semen, taste sweeter. This idea comes from the fact that pineapple contains natural sugars and acids which can influence the body odor and taste slightly. Now let's look into, is it scientifically proven? There is no strong scientific evidence proving that pineapple alone significantly changes the semen taste. However, diet overall does play a role. Example, diets rich in fruits like pineapple, vegetables, and water may lead to milder taste. Diets that is highly rich in alcohol, caffeine, smoking, red meat, etc., may lead to stronger or more bitter taste. So the point is, pineapple isn't magic. It's just a part of broader dietary effect. Now let's just go through the properties of pineapple. Pineapple is healthy, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps in digestion. It's refreshing and widely available. So the point is, men don't need to eat pineapple for any special sexual reason. The idea mostly comes from popular belief, not solid medical proof, but a healthy diet in general can influence body chemistry a bit. So now let's look into the next topic. Any food substances that makes a difference in taste or quality of semen, like smell, etc. The answer is yes. Diet can influence smell and taste of semen, but it is subtle. But it's a subtle overall effect, not something one food can dramatically change on its own. So let's look into what tend to make semen taste milder or slightly sweeter. Foods that generally helpful are fruits, vegetable and plenty of water. The fruits include like pineapple, berries, citrus, etc. Vegetables include leafy vegetables, etc. And drinking plenty of water can help the semen taste milder and sweeter. The reason behind this is these food can dilute strong compounds and may lead to a lighter and less bitter taste over the time, not just by one use, or it's by over the time. So let's look into what can make taste stronger or more bitter. Certain food habits are more consistently linked to a harsher taste, like garlic and onions, red meat in large amounts, coffee and caffeine, the substance abuses like alcohol, smoking, etc. These introduces compounds that can affect body odor and fluids. Let's look into why this happens. Semen contains minerals like zinc, protein, and enzymes. The body processes what you eat, and some of those byproducts show up in sweat, saliva, and semen. So, diet can influence taste indirectly. Let's look into important reality check. Changes are usually mild, not dramatic. Even though you consume these foods or the foods that mentioned earlier for a long time also, the changes are usually mild and not dramatic. It more about overall diet patterns than a single food. Hydration plays a big role, and another thing that plays a big role in the body odor and the fluids released from your body is the individual chemistry or the genetic nature of the individual. So the bottom line or the point that should remember is that there is no guarantee or quick fix food that helps in making your semen sweeter or smell better. But a clean diet and a good hydration tend to produce a more natural or slightly sweeter taste, while processed foods and substance abuses tend to do the opposite. So that's today's point. So we are wrapping up today's topic over here. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.